The Sawyer Series 400 spider clamp is a stainless steel internal alignment clamp built for fast, precise alignment of short pipe sections, fittings, and flanges. Dual expanding clamps move independently for accurate internal alignment, and stainless steel contact points hold up against corrosion in demanding conditions. Its smooth adjustment expands all contact points evenly, creating reliable internal centering for flanges, fittings, and short spools. To operate, preset the arm span for the pipe diameter, then insert the clamp into the pipe. Tighten the knob to anchor the lower clamp firmly in place, ensuring all contact points engage evenly with the pipe. Secure the flange or fitting by using the handbar to expand the upper clamp. Dial in the expansion until the arms lock securely against the inner wall. The clamp holds your weld joint steady and secure, once positioned, allowing for accurate, repeatable alignment with full 360-degree access. From initial setup to final weld, the spider clamp is a tool you can count on.